Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe down below if you have not already. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this gorgeous bob that was sent to me from Myfirstwig. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. The wig that I received is 10 inches. The texture is Yaki. The cap size is a medium average cap size. The hair color is a natural hair color. Cap construction is a 13x6 lace front wig with HD Swiss lace. The lace color is light brown. This wig does come with 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and a removable elastic band. The hairline does come pre-plucked for us. The knots are deep bleached for us, and no extra work is needed on this wig as far as the hairline is concerned. I want to show you guys a up-close side-by-side comparison of a Yaki textured wig versus a silky straight wig. The Yaki textured wig, of course, is on the left, and the silky straight wig is on the right. Yaki wigs have less shine, which makes them look more believable. The hair strands are thicker, but they're also lightweight. A silky straight wig would need to be quadruple the density to have it looking as thick as a lesser density Yaki wig. I have 2 colors of lace tint. The first color is the color of my foundation, and I will be spraying that on the hairline of the under portion of the lace. The second color is the color of my scalp, and I'll be spraying that on the inner portion of the lace frontal. I'm going to blow dry in between each layer and do 2 layers of each color of lace tint. Tinting the lace is always optional. If you do wear wig caps with your wigs, then you would not have to do this step. But because I do not wear wig caps with my wigs, it looks a lot more natural when I tint the lace. Alright, so now that the lace is tinted and custom to my complexion, it's now time to style the wig. I'm going to grab BioSilk's Silk Therapy Hair Serum and apply that to the hair for a little bit of shine. Grabbing 𝐃𝐫𝐚𝐿's wax stick, I'm going to apply that to the hairline and then use my pressing comb to go over the hairline and the parting space just to define it a little bit more. So now I'm just going to grab small sections of hair and use my flat iron to bump the ends of the hair. And here is how the wig is looking with the ends bumped. I'm just going to finish off the styling by using some shea butter hair oil and applying that to the parting space. And this is going to help it look like a fresh relaxer, or like I got my hair blown out somehow, but I wanted to grease my scalp. So that oil on the scalp is going to help it look a lot more natural. And to finish off the style, I'm just going to spray a light hold hairspray. So now it's time to cut off that extra lace. I am grabbing a zigzag pair of scissors and I'm just going to carefully follow that hairline and cut away the extra lace, and then we'll be ready to install. And because I am somewhat of a perfectionist when it comes to hairlines of wigs, I'm just going to grab my tweezer and just tweeze away some of those extra hairs that I find are too thick surrounding the hairline. Of course, this is always optional. This step you do not have to do because the hairline is pre-plucked for us already. So now I'm just going to grab some alcohol, clean off my forehead, and then I'm going to grab scalp protector from Walker Tape, apply that to my scalp. Grabbing the wig, I'm just going to use my adhesive of choice, and today I'm using Ebin New York's Wonder Lace Bond. I'm going to hold the wig upside down and then spray the edge of the lace I'm going to blow dry for about 5 to 10 seconds until that adhesive is tacky. And then I am going to grab that wig, place it on my head in its proper placement, just making sure that all of the combs are lined up. Then I'm going to put my headscarf on for about 20 to 30 minutes to allow that lace and adhesive to set. To save time, I did add baby hairs off camera, and here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. I will have all of the information, the promo codes, and direct links to this wig from Myfirstwig down below in the description box. If you're new here and this is your first time on my channel, or if this is your second, third, or fourth time on my channel and you did not subscribe to me, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below before you leave, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Let's chat all about this wig down below in the comments. Bye guys! 𝐃𝐫𝐚𝐜. Yeah, that's right. It's 𝐃𝐫𝐚𝐜.